Good morning to all. In arithmetic, this is the one of the model question from number system. Without any, let's see the question. 1/4 of a tank contains 135 liters of water. How much part of tank contains 180 liters of water? First, understand the question. For example, this is a tank. Just assume this is a 1/4 part. So 1/4 part, 1/4 means 1/4 part tank contains how many liters of water? 135 liters of water. How much part of tank contains 180 liters of water? So, ఇది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. How much part of tank contains 180 liters of water? See, 1/4 tank has how many liters of water? 135 liters. So how much part? We don't know the part of the tank. It contains 180 liters of water. Now apply normal division on both sides. Take division on both sides. 1/4 divided by x equal to 135 divided by 180. Now 4x equal to 135 divided by 80. Now do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication చేస్తే 1 into 180 equal to 4x into 135. We want only the value of x. X means how much part. So remaining term move this side. 1 into 180, 135. Right hand side we have the value only 4x. Now move 4 this side. 1 into 180, 180 by 135. Move 4 this side into 4 equal to x. Equal to x. Choose. So 180 divided by 135 4s are 180 divided by 135 4s are 540 equal to x. So 0 0 cancel. 1 18s are 18, 3 18s are 54. That means x equal to 1/3 part. So this is the answer. That means total 1/3 part of tank contains 180 liters of water. Next, another question from percentages chapter. When 60 is subtracted from 60% of a number, then the result is 60. What is that number? First understand the question. 60 and a number. 60 is subtracted from 60% of number, then అప్పుడు the result ఎంత వచ్చిందంట 60. then the result is 60. what is that number? ఇక్కడ ఏ నెంబర్ అది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. what is that number? 60% of means into, we don't know the number, just assume that is x. minus 60 equal to 60. 60 divided by, percentage means divided by 100 into x. This one into this is x. Don't confuse. Okay now. For example, take A. Okay now. Minus 60 equal to 60. Now common 60. 60 A divided by 100 minus 60 equal to here 60. Now right hand side we have the value 60, left side also we have the value 60. Now common left hand side 60 A divided by 100 minus 1 equal to 60. Now 60 here 60 cancel. 60 and 60 cancel. What is the remaining term? A by 100 minus 1 equal to 1. Now take the LCM. 100 A minus 100 equal to 1. Now move A minus 100 equal to 100. A equal to 100 minus 100 that side move, at side move aithe plus 100. A equal to how much? 200. That means here the number is how much? 200. This is the answer. One of the model from simple interest is a sum of 1600 rupees gives a simple interest of 250 rupees in 2 years 3 months. What is the rate of interest per annum? First understand the question. A sum of 1600 rupees gives a simple interest of 250 rupees in 2 years 3 months. Just assume a person given 1600 rupees to another person. After 2 years 3 months, he paid extra 250 rupees as simple interest. What is the rate of interest per annum? ఏం లేదు, ఒక పర్సన్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరే 1600 రూపీస్ మీ ఫ్రెండ్కి ఇచ్చారు. ఆఫ్టర్ 2 years 3 months తర్వాత తనకి సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అయిన అమౌంట్ ఎంత? 250 రూపీస్ అయింది. వాట్ ఈజ్ ద రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ పర్ యానం? మీరు తనకి ఎంత రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్కి ఇచ్చారు అది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? దట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్. ఫస్ట్ sum is indicated with P. How much? 1600 rupees. Next, rate of interest, simple interest equal to indicated with SI. How much? 252 rupees. Time T equal to 2 years and 3 months. Better to convert total this one in years. 2 years plus 3 months means 3 by 12 years. Now do the LCM. 12. 12 twos are 2 into 12 plus 3 years. 2 12s are 24 plus 3 by 12 years. That means 27 by 12 years. 27 by 12 years. June. What is the formula of simple interest? Simple interest equal to P into R into T by 100. Here simple interest value how much given? 252 rupees equal to P value 1600 into R find out cheyali, R into T 27 by 12 and 100. Now 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 252 equal to 16 into R into 27 divided by here 12. Now 4 4s are 16, 3 4s are 12. 252 equal to 4 into R into 27 divided by 3. 27 divided by 3. Is there any cancellation possible? Yes. How many times? 9 times. What is the remaining term? 252 equal to 4 into R into 9. 4 into R into 9. 252 equal to 4 into R into 9. Next, 252 equal to 4 9s are 36 R. 4 9s are 36 into R. So, find out cheyali R. Now, move 36 this side. 252 divided by 36 equal to R. 252 divided by 36. Do the normal division process. 36. How many times? 36, for example, 36 5s are 180. 36 6s are 1821. 36 7s are 36 7s are 252. That means rate of interest equal to how much? R. R percentage equal to 7%. So తనకి రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ పర్ యానం ఎంత అయింది? 7%. ఓకేనా? ద రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ పర్ యానం ఈక్వల్ టు 7%. This is the one of the model question from time and distance chapter. Now see the question. A train is traveling at the rate of 45 kilometers per hour. How many seconds it will take to cover the distance of 4/5 kilometers? All of you understand the question? The train is traveling at the rate of 45 kilometers per hour. For example, just assume this is the distance from A to B is 45 kilometers per 1 hour. The train covers a distance of 45 kilometers per hour. ఒక 1 అవర్లో ద ట్రైన్ అనేది ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుంది? 45 కిలోమీటర్స్. సో అలా అయితే హౌ మెనీ సెకండ్స్ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ టు కవర్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ 4/5 kilometers? How many seconds? We don't know the time. అది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. How many seconds it will take to cover the distance of 4/5 kilometers? No? Already we know the formula. What is the formula? Time equal to distance by speed. Time equal to distance by speed. Distance 4/5 kilometers divided by speed how much? 45 kilometer per hour. Now 4 divided by, move 5 downside, 55 kilometer per hour. Here kilometer, kilometer, kilometer cancel. Next, what are the remaining terms? Time equal to 4/545 are 545 are how much? 225. Here the units hours. This is the final answer. No, మనకు కావాల్సిన ఆన్సర్ ఎందులో కావాలి? సెకండ్స్. హౌ మెనీ సెకండ్స్ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ టు కవర్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ 4/5 kilometers. సో నౌ కన్వర్ట్ అవర్స్ ఇంటూ సెకండ్స్. So 1 hour equal to how many seconds? 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds. Now multiply 4 with 3600. 3600 4s are 14,400 divided by 2,225 seconds. Now do the normal division process. 14,400 divided by 225. 225. 225 5s are 25, 12, 10, 11. 225 6s are 225 6s are 1350. 225 7s are more than 1440. That's why I have taken 225 6s are. Now 0, 9, here 0. 225 5s are more. So take 225 4s are. So 225 4s are 900. That means what is the answer? 64 seconds. Time equal to how much? 64 seconds. The train will be taken to cover the distance of 4/5 kilometers is 64 seconds. 4/5 కిలోమీటర్స్ డిస్టెన్స్ కవర్ చేయడానికి ఆ ట్రైన్కి ఎంత టైం పడుతుంది? 64 seconds.